Looking for the best plunge saw without wasting hours comparing specs and reviews? Stick around. Today we're ranking the top 5 electric saws from budget buys to professional beasts. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Genesis Compact Circular Saw. It's small, affordable, and it's made for basic cutting tasks. If you're new to DIY or just need a quick saw for occasional use, this one will catch your eye, especially for the price. Now, the Genesis isn't cheap. It's surprisingly capable for light jobs. With a 4.5-inch blade and a simple 4-amp motor, it can handle 2x4s and plywood without much fuss. You get a bevel function up to 45 degrees, a built-in dust port, and a rip guide right out of the box. But let's be honest, it has flaws. The motor isn't made for long sessions, and some users report wobble in the blade, which makes precision work tricky. Compared to everything else on this list, it's definitely more of a beginner tool than a pro-grade performer. If you're a homeowner who wants something simple and budget-friendly for small cuts here and there, the Genesis could be all you need. It's not for the heavy stuff, but it's a solid starter. Links to all the products from the review at the best price are down in the description. Check them out. At number 4, we've got a mini saw with a bit more punch, the DOVAMAN. This one's a nice step up from the Genesis, especially if you're looking for a compact tool with more versatility right out of the box. It comes with 6 blades for different materials, a laser guide, and an edge guard that helps keep your cut straight. The power here is respectable at 710 watts, and it feels more solid and capable than you'd expect from a mini saw. It's compact, but it's no toy. Still, it's not perfect. It's heavier than it looks, around 8.5 pounds, and some users find the safety switch awkward to use. The laser can also get blocked out by dust, so that nice straight line, not always visible during the cut. If you're someone who wants a compact tool that can handle wood, plastic, and even tile with the right blade, the DOVAMAN is a great grab. Like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world reviews like this one. At number 3, we're stepping into the cordless game with the WORX. It's light, it's nimble, and it's ideal for DIYers who want to move around without worrying about a power cord. You get plenty of thoughtful touches, a built-in LED work light, a clear cut line indicator, and a tool-free bevel adjustment up to 50 degrees. It's easy to handle and powerful enough for cutting through standard 2x4s and plywood. And for casual jobs, the 20-volt battery gets the job done without much noise or fuss. But don't expect miracles, this isn't a high-torque saw. So if you're cutting dense materials or thicker lumber like 4x4s, it might take more than one pass. It's a great tool for general projects, just not your go-to for serious framing or contractor work. For weekend projects, like carpentry or anyone who values portability over brute strength, the WORX delivers real value. It hits the sweet spot for mid-range cordless saws. Coming in strong at number 2 is the SKIL corded saw, a workhorse that's built for power without blowing your budget. This thing is solid, and with a 13-amp motor spinning at 5300 RPM, it means business. It slices through lumber, plywood, and sheet goods like butter, and its 51-degree bevel capacity gives you room to tackle a wide range of angled cuts. You also get helpful touches like a dust blower, spindle lock, and a steel shoe that keeps everything stable and straight. Now, it's not all sunshine. There's no laser or brake, and some folks find the plastic housing a bit underwhelming. But for the price and performance combo, it still punches above its weight. This is the saw for serious DIYers or pros on a budget. If you want full-size power and don't mind staying plugged in, the SKIL is a strong bet. And at number 1, the crown goes to the Makita. This is the top dog for a reason. It's cordless, powerful, super accurate, and feels like a pro tool in every sense. You're looking at dual battery 36-volt performance that rivals corded saws, a brushless motor that adjusts speed automatically, and bevel cuts from -1 to 48 degrees. It's smooth, quiet, and makes ultra-precise cuts thanks to its rail-compatible design. Everything about it feels refined. The downside? It's expensive, and the tool-only version means you'll need to buy the batteries, charger, and guide rail separately. Also, it uses a metric depth scale, which might annoy folks used to inches. But if you want the best plunge saw experience, clean cuts, wireless freedom, rock-solid accuracy, this Makita is the gold standard. It's a serious tool for serious builders. Every saw on this list has its strengths, but if you want the best for your needs, check out the links in the description for the top picks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next review.